The airlines, they're already issuing travel waivers ahead of the blizzard for the planes in the Midwest. Minneapolis could get buried by snow, and that's where Alex Perez is right now. Good morning, Alex.
Hey, good morning, Michael. We're talking about the two things that people in this area never want to hear together: snow and April. Check it out. I'm standing on top of a salt pile, one of many in the area, and all of this is going to be very, very important in the next several hours. Minneapolis is still moving smoothly right now, but all of that is going to change. Some areas could see as much as 1 to 2 inches of snow an hour. And here is the bad news. The effects of this storm, well, they're going to linger probably for the rest of the week. George?
Okay, Alex, thanks very much. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.